Welcome back to my channel. So today I said yes, I'm going to be doing a mukbang video for you guys. If you've got no appetite to eat, I'm here to give you the appetite for food, okay? So guys, you're welcome to my channel. If you're watching me for the first time, you're welcome to this channel. To all my returnees, I'm saying thank you to you, and thank you so much for tuning in once again. So guys, you know, when I have food in front of me like this, I don't like doing intro. I'm very, very hungry right now. Anyways, guys, today I'm going to be eating pounded yam. This is my egusi soup that I cooked, okay? And I have this egusi recipe on my cooking channel. I'm going to leave the link to my cooking channel down in the comment section, and I'll also leave it in the description box as well. Please go and see how I cook this egusi soup and support my new channel, okay? My daughter used to upload some videos there, but I've switched my daughter over to this channel, and this is going to be our family channel. So whatever she wants to upload, she can upload it on this channel. So anytime she feel like doing YouTube video, she can always do them here, while the other channel is going to be a cooking channel. So don't be surprised if you see some of our videos over there, all right? So because I don't have much cooking videos over there, but I'm definitely going to keep uploading lots and lots of cooking videos, okay? So guys, definitely stay tuned and go there, subscribe, and sit there and wait for me, okay? Because I will be upload lots of cooking videos on that channel. So I'm hungry, okay? Let us eat together. It's time to demolish. According to a fellow YouTuber here on my channel, she will say demolish. I'm going to be consuming this, you know, food, all right? So I want you all to join me, all right? So let's get started. My hands are really washed, nice and clean. It's just that it's dry, but it's clean, nice and clean, all right? And here I have just plain water. It's been a long time I had pando, and today I said I'm going to be eating pando. And egusi is not my favorite soup, to be honest. I love draw soup. I just love draw soup, but I just started, all of a sudden, I just feel like eating egusi soup. I'm like, oh my God, I'm craving egusi soup. I really need to eat it. So that is why I prepared this yumilicious egusi soup. So guys, enough of the talking, because I'm very, very hungry right now. Whew. So you're going to see how I prepare this egusi soup. Guys, egusi on point. Egusi to the rescue. Oh. Egusi you do. Guys, go and check me out, okay, guys? And this egusi soup. Real party egusi. I can't have enough of this, honestly. Mm. Look at the way I'm rushing. That is, oh my god. That is to know how yummy it is. Mmm. Mm-mm. Guys. I think I need more. I think I need more. Guys, I will be back. I need more. I need more, guys. I'm back. Oh. I'm back, and I added more beef because when you say something is sweet, when you say something is soup is delicious. Thank God I still had more pando left. This is panda stockfish. Yeah. Ó ṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ yóò ní. To you. I don't really like eating much beef. Who is that?
Sorry.
Guys, what are you? This is too delicious. It's too yummy. Hey! Stop it now, Diamond.
Sorry, it just keeps on being really loud.
So guys, please go and check out my channel and watch this recipe and stay tuned for more and more and more. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys, and I will see you all in my next video. Now I'm going to sleep. 3 hours sleep. Thank you all so much for watching. Bye bye.